Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. There's this work visa in Australia in which I will show you. I hope you will like it. This work visa, you don't need a job in order to travel. You don't need interview, and you will have permanent resident permit within 3 years, and you will move with your family. Just stay tuned and follow. Let's go. Hello, wonderful people. Join me in Google. I have entered Google to show you step by step in order to succeed. So, my dear people, you come here and type skill work visa regional Australia. Skill work visa regional Australia and hit enter. So, when you hit enter, look at what will appear. This thing will appear. All those things will appear, and this and this. You can scroll down and click this second one, click it, click this. So let's when you click it, this interface will appear. Have you seen it? Look at it. This interface will appear. Subclass 491 skill worker regional. So a visa for skilled people nominated by state or territory government to live and work in Australia. So basic eligibility, you read through, look at basic eligibility, basic, read it, and yes, this is the advantage. Within 3 years, you will get your permanent resident permit. These are all the advantage. Look at it here. So you scroll down more. Scroll down. You see stay for 5 years. This is the fee you will pay when you are nominated. But first of all, you have to show your interest. When you show your interest and give them all the necessary documents, and they will assess you. If you are eligible, then they will invite you to apply. When they assess you and they know that you are eligible, they will invite you and your visa is sure. So what you will do now, go and gather everything, read through and know their requirements. So read in details, read here, look at it. This blue button, highlighted, but click it and read more, and know what they want. Then submit your expression of interest. Submit it, expression of interest. They will rate you. If you score up to 65, then they will invite you. The score will include your age. You will not be above 45, and the level of education and the type of occupation you have. So they will rate everything. When you score like 65 and above, or 65, they will invite you. Then they will tell you to pay and your visa is sure. So let's go ahead. So let's click this blue line. So look at everything you need to know. Look at it here. Everything highlighted is very crucial information. So this is processing time. They will tell you the processing time, and look at see all the condition you will meet, and check. You can check your eligibility here. If you are eligible, you will know. Check it. You can check it. Then you can check. Wait a minute. You can check all the occupation here. Look at the occupational list. This is the occupational list. This blue line, highlighted line, click it. You will scroll down and see all the occupation. Anyone that they wrote 491, you know that one is eligible. So let's click it. So this is skilled occupational list. This is skilled occupational list. You scroll down, scroll more. Yes, this is the list of occupations. So you can search more. It's many pages. So look at it. For example, you look for your type of job, and you look here. Like for instance now, accommodation and the hospitality manager. So it fall under 491, you see. So you scroll more, look for your occupation. Accountant, yes, look at occupation, and this is the your job. So you watch to know whether it fall under 491. So look at it, let's scroll down. Yes, look at it, it fall under 491. So if you are accountant, you are good to go. 491, you are good to go. So dear people, you scroll down more, you look for your job. If your job, anywhere you see your job, look whether it fall under 4491, and you can search for more. You can search for more here. Look at it, you can search for more here. So, and after gathering all your documents and you make sure that everything is complete, then you show them the interest, expression of interest. You give them all your documents. From there they will invite you if you are eligible. Then you apply for visa. When they invite you, your visa is sure. Then from there you can pay. Hello, wonderful people. I've showed you all you need to know to apply for this visa. Please like our video, comment, share, and tag others. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.